Hi, and welcome to the CURT Media Center. This is a valuable marketing resource that will provide you and your associates with full access to our library of photos, videos, literature, and company logos. The Media Center can be found on the CURT website within CURT University. This page is the gateway to the assets. I recommend bookmarking this page in your web browser for future access. As new products get launched and as the CURT Media team expand the asset libraries, this collection will grow, so be sure to check back for the latest and greatest assets from CURT. In the videos collection, you find all of CURT's published videos, including product, installation, how-to, branding, and more. The photos collection includes many different types of ready-to-use imagery, including product images, in-use, lifestyle, and full SKU image sets. Literature includes the most current literature pieces, including the catalog, trifolds, and sales flyers. And logos contains the official brand mark for CURT, which is available in multiple file formats. Also in this collection, you can find the brand guidelines document that outlines acceptable logo usage. For this demonstration, we're going to look into the photos collection. Just click the large button and the collection will open in a new tab. Once you've arrived in a collection, you'll be prompted to accept the usage license. Within the collection, you have the ability to find specifically what you're looking for. There are several ways to navigate the collection, and your go-to way is the Quick Find search bar. Just click into the search bar and type a word or phrase into the field and press enter. The matching assets will be displayed. I'll type in Rambler, and as you can see, it returns to me a collection of installed and in-use Rambler tow bar photos. So it helps to understand a few details on how exactly the search works, with some handy tricks to dial in the exact results you want. We just typed in a single word, which is pretty straightforward. The search will find anything that starts with the characters that you type. So in this next example, I'll just type in RAM, R-A-M, which is the first three characters in the word Rambler. So it still shows me the Rambler images along with any other words that start with R-A-M. So I'll get mixed results. If I want to find exact matches for my search, I just use quotation marks to dial it in. So if I put RAM in quotes, it returns exact matches, and now I'll see mostly things that are on or for RAM trucks. This next trick that I'm about to share is key, and it's probably the most important thing to know to effectively search for assets. If you're searching multiple words, the best way to get the results you're looking for is to use the word and, A-N-D, in all caps between your words. Let me break down why. If I search ball mount with a space, it gives me results for anything that has the word ball or the word mount. And as you can see, there's a lot of assets and it's probably not exactly what you're looking for. A much better way to search is to type in ball and mount with a capital A-N-D. Now it will show me only assets that have the tag ball and the tag mount. And now you can see I have a much nicer result for what I'm looking for. So keep that in mind. And lastly, a great pro tip for people who are familiar with our product lines is just to type in the exact part number of a product. If I do that, I know that my results are showing me the exact right part, and I get the benefit of seeing the photo set that is associated with this part number. Another easy way to find a general collection of assets related to a product category is through the category find. Just click on this magnifying glass with a plus icon on the top of the page. A side navigation will show up and you can click the product category field and just choose from the list. Then hit enter. I've chosen fifth wheel, and as you can see, I have a nice collection of fifth wheel images that's shown up. I can also dial this in even further if I'd like by using this keyword field and searching for keywords within this smaller fifth wheel collection, like so. The last way I'd like to show you how to find assets is through the inspected keywords. This is a good way to see how our assets are tagged and find other assets that have the same tags. So I can click on an asset and see the detail view. Along with the asset details, I see a list of keywords. These are actually clickable, so if I click on a keyword, in this case I'll choose fifth wheel adapters, and now I see other assets that share this tag. So let's get into downloading and sharing. Downloading is easy. From this thumbnail view, I can just click this little download arrow, and my browser will queue up the download and put the file right into my downloads folder. I can do the exact same thing from the details view. So if I want to download multiple assets at the same time, I can create what's called a selection list. Just click the little checkbox and the asset will be added to my selections. I can pick a few assets I want, and then I can do a totally separate search and pick a few more assets that I like, and they all get added to the list, which you can see here. Now I can click this selection button and I get the option to download one at a time, or on the top here, I can download all of the assets. I can share assets with a link by clicking the share icon in the inspection view. It copies a link to your clipboard so you can just paste it in an email or send it in a chat. Lastly, if you want to give feedback or make a special request, you can use the email feedback button, which queues up an email, and our team here at CURT can respond accordingly. So now that you know how this tool is used, you can really get control over gathering the specific assets you need. And here at CURT, we're all about helping our customers. So if you want to have the CURT team make a custom gallery for you, we're happy to do that as well. Just use the email feedback feature to make specific requests, and we'll build out a gallery just for you. It's that easy. And that does it. So thanks for taking the time to learn more about the CURT Media Center. I hope you find it as useful as I do. Thanks, and have a great day.